Extremism and reclusion. Extremism originates in a closed environment that fails to recognize the Creator's wisdom behind natural variance and diversity, especially through misinterpreting historical texts and events. Extremism relied on a narrow-minded view that neither recognizes the nature of creation nor the needs of humanity. Humanity's frailty and legitimate needs are met with constraint and strictness, and the need for coexistence between nations and people is met with fear, hatred, racism, and fueling of cultural conflict. This methodological deviation has inevitable consequences clearly manifested in extremism's words and deeds. Extremism, in all its forms, is founded on deviant intellectual isolation that is fed by a doctrine of hatred, malice, and engaging all factions to historical arguments credited to their originators. Extremism is indifferent to its opposition, even if it's represented in a unanimous refusal of its risks. It prides itself on being the saved sect amongst all people on earth, condemning all others to deviation and ruin. In this regard, the prophet, peace be upon him, said, "If a man says the people are ruined, he is the most ruined among them."